Waytrain Industries Company Limited is specialized in making high-quality metal cutting bandsaws and has respectively received certifications of TUV, KEMA, DNV, SLG, AV, and CSA during the past 2 decades. Since then, our products have been recognized as #1 in reputation, quality, and performance. In promotion and on the upgrade of management, we passed through the conformity of the ISO 9002 in 1998 as well. Semi-auto series, including UE 330 SSA, UE 250 SSA, and UE 918 SSA, UE-330 SSA. The saw swivels from 0 degrees to 45 degrees. Track shape rotation design increases stability in operation. Hydraulic vise is optional. Its clamp pressure starts from 15 kilograms per centimeter squared to 30 kilograms per centimeter squared, which can be adjusted depending on the different materials to be cut. The rack type quick moving vise. Equipped with various speeds device. One-piece blade cover for security and easy operational function, with match joint and limit switch. Security limit switch for blade cover. The post-control box attached on UE 330 SSA is able to swivel to 180 degrees from the front to back of the base. The saw arm raising position can be set to save cutting time. The dampener, reducing the cutting pressure of the saw during the end of the cut, prevents blade teeth from being broken, preserving the life of the blade. The broken blade power shutoff device and blade tension gauge. A water gun for cleaning chips built up in blade housing and debris in the machine. And the storage box where the water gun and the spare blades can be kept. The attached roller for your convenience in loading the workpiece. Different cutting speeds can be chosen for cutting different materials. UE-250 SSA series of horizontal bandsaws. The rack type quick moving vise, manual model. The hydraulic vise system is optional. The various speed device. 2-piece blade covers. Saw arm swivels from 0 degrees to 45 degrees. Track shape rotation design increases stability in operation. The wheel-shaped chip brush is good for cleaning out chips from the blade teeth to improve cutting efficiency. Tungsten carbide blade guides help maintain the cutting stability while the blade is running. The strong water-lifting coolant pump. Move the blade adjustable bracket according to the size of the workpiece to secure the cutting accuracy and prolong the use of the blade.